Well, hello there, it's me again, your traditional cook, back again with an oldie and a bang. So, I'm the cooking nurse, my name is Rita, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe if you haven't. So, in this video, it's a continuation of my previous video. This was made on the same date, but I was just being lazy to, edit. And this video has been requested, so who am I to refuse? So, I'm going to be making rice in a box, the traditional way. Growing up, this is how my grandmother used to make our rice at home, and I've been doing this. I try to bring it back so that my kids can also grow up with the same memories, because lately this is the luxury, and who doesn't want luxury? Anyways, I start off by washing my rice, measuring the rice, because however much African I am, I don't gamble with rice, because then I may mess up the water. So I start by measuring it, then washing it, and then putting it in the box that I'm going to be cooking it with, cooking it in, and then measure the water. Remember, it's 2 to 1. So 1 rice, 2 water. And after putting my water into the rice, I'm going to be seasoning it and then adding in the flavor. Back then, the rice used to have like enough aroma that if someone cooked rice on top of a food in this box, you would feel, you'd smell the aroma from a distance. But these days, rice needs some help. So I'm gonna go in with some onions, put salt to taste. Don't put a lot, because when it evaporates, the water goes out, the salt concentrates. I don't know if I'm making sense. So put minimal salt. Or you can actually do away with salt. Keep on checking until it's seasoned to your liking, and mix it, because you're not going to stir it again. So the salt may just sit down. Now, traditionally, at this stage, we'd put in cow ghee, but I don't have that right now, and I don't want my rice to be like sticky. So I'm gonna go in with almost a teaspoon of olive oil, and then I'll go in with my bay leaves or cinnamon leaves, whichever you have. These days, this sticky rice, our super rice, needs help. If someone knows where I can buy the aromatic rice like the old times, please link me up. Thank you. So like you saw in the previous video of luombo, the chicken luombo, I'm going to leave a link here up. If you didn't, please go back and watch and then come back here. You know how we arrange this. So traditionally, we would just put food, matoke, below, and then put this rice here. But today I'm going to be making this rice with posho. I also have a video about making posho in banana leaves. If you haven't, I also leave a link in the description box. Make sure to check it out. So after putting that, there's water down. Yeah, it's more like a steamer. Water down, and then I'll cover it with the banana leaves. This is going to increase the aroma of the food, and then I'll put it on fire. Now, people usually say their rice doesn't get ready these days, maybe because we don't measure the right water. So when you're going to put it into the food, it is perfect that you put in the exact amount of water, or else it's going to be soaked if you put too much. Or if you know you put too much, be sure you're going to serve porridge, but it is going to be watery, like it's going to mash up. So put the exact amount. Cook for about maybe 1 hour, and then you're ready. That way, at least 1 hour, you're sure your rice is cooked. So my rice and posho is ready, and all I'm doing now is just keep on washing my hands, because the water is cold, so it prevents me from burning. Plus, are you even African if you complain that food is hot, that you're getting burnt? That's a joke. Anyways, my rice is ready, and I'm going to go on ahead and open it. There's no easier way to go around these things, by the way. There's no easier way. If you're traditional like me, there's no easier way. You just have to get things done. So remove the bay leaves and the aroma. Whew. Anyways, the box rice is gonna be stuck with me for a long time. And that is it. I'm going to check with a spoon to see if the rice is cooked, but I know it is cooked, just so you know. But if it's not, maybe you can put it back on fire and cover it. But yeah, that's it. Pretty much. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.